This is refreshing and soothing. Honey loquat candy. I hope I said it right. I liked it to get big size because it was a lot cheaper. It was like $6. Usually it's 1, 2, 3. Like, I'll show you a picture. There's like $3.99 each. So, and they come out like this. So you can put a few in every bag or purse that you have when you don't feel so good. So this is kind of like a cough drop, but with goodies inside. Let me know if you had it and what do you think about it. And then watch out for this one next.